How's it going today, guys? Welcome back. This is Weekly Business Tips, and today we're going to be talking about how to go into every single day with a business plan. Now, whether you're a small business or a large business, everybody has a plan for the day. This could be financial, task management, time management. It just depends. No matter what, every single day, week, month, you're going to want to have a plan for your business. This way you're consistently staying busy. Now, the way that you make this plan, I preferably like to make my plans at the beginning of every single week. This can just be labeling out anything that you want to get done, where your money's being spent, where you're putting most of your energy towards your business. You just want to have a plan. Every successful company has a big plan. They always have meetings about it, they always talk about it, and they always renew their plan to make sure that their business gets better every single week. That is definitely a very important tip that I suggest you listen to. Thank you, guys.